Well, you all must be wondering which all kind of licenses are there and how exactly you can obtain them on just one click. There are several licenses which you can obtain by applying online, and there are some licenses for which you require to go physically and apply for the same. So let's start the video. So today we are going to see how to obtain FLXC, that is permit for purchase, possession, transport, use and consumption of foreign liquor, country liquor. So for that you require to visit Maharashtra State Excise website, that is exciseservices.mahaonline.in, in which you will have multiple options as home, list of services, application status, contact us, login, dashboard. So we require to click on login. If you have already a login ID on this, well and good, otherwise you may require to click on aplisarkar.mahaonline.gov.in, in which you may have a choice of selection of language, Marathi, English. Now I'm making it as English. Now if you have a login ID, well and good, otherwise you can create as a new user. So now you have two options, either through OTP or by submitting the document. Now I would recommend you to go for mobile option, as OTP becomes quite easy for you and also remains handy. So please click on that. Then provide your certain details like which city you belong to, mobile number, and then you will be receiving a OTP number in some time. And as soon as you receive it, please place it there. Please enter your OTP number, your name, whichever name you want on your license, and then try and see whether the user is available or no. You may use alphabets, numbers in that, special character also. And please make sure write this username and password also somewhere in safe. So now we have this username available, so we require to provide the further detail, that is your password, in which you follow that alphabet. One of them should be capital, then followed by numbers and special character. Then give your full name, date of birth also, which is required, and then city, and then you require to register on this. Now you'll receive the message as the registration is complete. Click OK and proceed. Now you may put your user ID and password followed by the CAPTCHA, and then click on login. Then you'll have a dashboard in which multiple options will be there, like Department of Animal, Food and Public License. Then you'll have to scroll down where we require to go on Home Department. And there you click on Sub Department, where again State Excise. Click on Proceed, and then you'll find further thing as Premise License or Premise Registration. Click on that and proceed. Then you'll get additional dashboard in which multiple things will be there. So click on third option, temporary 1 day option, or you may go for permit for the purchase of possession of license, that is 11 number option. And you'll get additional form in which again you have to fill the details, name, your house, date of birth, district, taluka, village, pin code, and then age group also you require to provide documentation details also, like PAN card, passport. Then we can save this. Then you'll get this pop-up message, accept it, but please verify the data whatever you are filling in. Then you'll get the application number and token number also. Click on OK and proceed. Then you require to upload your photograph and signature here. Followed by that you require to upload your Aadhaar card, PAN card, as it will be your address proof and name proof. Now you may get for 1 year, one day and lifetime, so there are different costs. So here's the payment options, and then you can see that for one day it is costing only 6.18, so you can take it 7, whereas for 1 year it is costing take it as 126, or rather keep it as 130, safer side. And for lifetime you may have to pay 1028 rupees only. Now once you are through with this, once the payment is done, you can come back to dashboard, and where you will see your applications. There are multiple options for that: view, pending, download. If it is rejected, then they will be giving you the reasons also. Otherwise, after 15 days you may be able to see your document uploaded out there, and like this you will be getting your license. In case if you haven't subscribed my channel, please go ahead and subscribe it, and make sure that hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification of next video. Thank you. So thank you very much. In case if you have any questions, any comment, please leave that in the comment box, and in my next video I'll definitely address that. Thank you very much.